Hello guys, welcome to the next trade breakdown which I've had took in Nasdaq, and I did something like I did something shitty because I was with my bias as a bullish and I end up with taking a trade as a bearish. This was the thing I have done at the day of, it's probably 22nd May, Friday. What I did is, see, I had this bullish close in Nasdaq and the YM as well. And the time when I came to see to the market, I had these SMT as in the highs, and I want to these SMT to be gets breaked out because YM took the all-time highs. Okay, I thought Nasdaq wants to be traded with these SMT break logic, and top of that, what I did as a shitty things right out. See, this is a 9:30, right? Okay. It ended up with the closer as a bullish, and it didn't even took that highs as an assembly break. So I thought that at 10 a.m. gets opened, it opens low first, so I thought it didn't even, I know it doesn't have any wicks. So I thought that once that, see the logic here. If if a candle opens, if a candle opens and it came all the way down right till here, and do you guys think this candle expand, like support some sort of expansion upwards like this? No. But one thing that candle can do, what it can do, it opened. Okay, wait. So guys, it can do, like it opened right here. Okay, it op- it opened right here, it came down right till here and gave some sort of SMT with some other lows, and it can expand towards this open. Like, see the trading logic, what should we do? If we had a what delayed protection, we should trade till the open of the daily candle, right? So the same logic applies here. We don't even think about the fucking expansion candle towards some sort of a highs, but still we have a draw as to trade until the higher time frame candle gets opened. Okay, this is a lesson which I had learned on the day 22nd May. And I took a, how did I took with the bearish trades? How like how did that fucking bad idea trade? I see, this highs, all time highs got SMT with 930 highs, 930 highs right here. Okay, and it switches strength right here. I thought so. I thought, and see what the thing. I had an all time highs SMT with the 930 highs, and this eye didn't took this eyes 9 9 to 9:30 didn't took, 9 to 9:30 took. Okay, I thought this was a strength switch, and the 10 a.m. opens and came all the way down of the, I measured the big size, so I thought this candle should be fucking what a two stage at highs, should trade probably to add some sort of a daily open or else some other drawn liquidity. But what I expected and what I had, where is my drawn liquidity and what the price where I currently trading in? See, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement, consolidation, retracement, expansion. I didn't even have any fucking signatures to trade reversals. This is a kind of a reversals to be traded in, but this is never fucking considered as a reversal trades. So what I did, I thought this as what a two stage at highs, and I came up with taking this trade as a lower one. So 10 a.m. opened and I got this SSD, these fucking SSD, and I entered my current position right here. My SL were right the swing highs, and I targeted this fucking tour. But I ended up with taking a loss. I don't know this even this trade. I want to see sense which to trade this asset to be gets an SMT break towards this eyes, but I didn't get any fucking sense which with the NQ and YM. See, these are said so put these lows and closed as a bearish one, and let's see. This asset doesn't even took these lows and closed as a bullish one, and I the see this asset even didn't took any sort of a loss and closed as a bullish one. In which manner should I take these fucking assets as which is the strengths, and how should I confirm these assets strengths which I can have a 15 minute 1045 PSP as a bearish, a 15 minute 1045 PSP as a bullish one. If I trade this PSP as a bullish one, then how should I? Let's take a trade into this. Let's have a look into like this. If you want to take a trades, this 1045 wants to get close as a bullish 11 a.m. behind here. I want to take my trades right here. My stop was right to be here. I want to target these SMT breaks, and what happened? Literally, I got stopped out somewhere at this point. I don't know how the fuck this gonna be happen, but somewhat it's maybe a Friday things gonna be done. I have seen many times the Friday's price action maybe ever been not as good as some price action used to be in weekdays. So this was a thing, and I wanna notice one thing which may be in 30 minutes as well. Still, I didn't even have any fucking trades to trade towards those highs. But still, if I want to took this trade from right there, I only choose what a twar trade, probably twar, yeah, some sort of twar. But at this point in time when I get this SSD and I got a new lower low, like new swing points, I moved my stops to break even, and the break even got hit at this time. But what actually ended up with the happening, see, this doesn't even took the highs, right? Let's take it to what in the future chart. This 4 hour candle doesn't even took those highs which took in YM took those highs, and we got a fucking strength switch right at highs. This is at 10 a.m. Sorry, I wanna see, yeah, some sort of 2 a.m. continuations. Yeah, it's right here. Once this asset closed as some sort of not even took those highs, I wanna see some sort of sense which to trade this asset to lower, which YM took those highs, and YM have this fucking SMT like SMT at highs. I think so. Yeah, let's see. Here we got the SMT at highs. It's probably a equal highs at highs, but yeah. What about Tineas? Yeah, it's some sort of a equal highs, like it swooped in. forex asset, and I didn't get any soup that highs in futures asset as well. So if I took this trade, I won't took this trade probably enough. Seriously, I'm saying I won't take this trade if I very wanted to. Like if I see strength switch right here, I wanna see some sort of reversal signatures. I should be wait until this SSD gonna print. Once I got these SSDs as lawyer, I'll take my trade as well right here, and my stops are right there. And I should target fucking 2 hour to at these lows. Maybe a 2 hour, decent 2 hour trade. Yeah, yeah. This was a trade which took. I didn't took on the day as on the 22nd May, as on Friday. See guys, one thing I wanna say you. Friday, the day, like let us have some like good examples enough to clarify this. For example, have some idea that Monday has been accumulating and Tuesday is putting a manipulation down or up towards to trade another opposite side, and Wednesday gets a distribution. And what about the Thursday? It gets reversal. It is AMD. It's basically X, right? AMDX. X may be a reversal or retracement, right? So in that particular time, what about the job of Friday having their day, like doing in the mortgage? It doesn't make sense, right? AMDX is printed for a 4 days, and Friday obviously we don't have any fucking draws to trade, so that's may consider to be a low probability day in a QT terms, but some sort of a draws or else a TGIF is there, and like basically yeah, it's some sort of low probability day compared to other days. Okay, so mind that and have some good trades as well. Yeah, this is a thing I wanna consider. I wanna convey you guys to how I took those trades as well on that day. Even RTY didn't even took those any of those highs, and we can see some sort of strength switch reaction from there. Let us have, yeah. See, fucking strength switch. See guys, see. This was the thing I want. I did. I just expected. See, in a higher time frame, YM didn't even took, like sorry, RTO didn't even took those highs, right? And it closed as a bearish PSP. It's two stage. It's some sort of SMTs at highs with the closing as a bearish PSP, and YM it has a bullish PSP, and it all top of that it's an all time high. It swooped all those highs. Okay, two stage at highs. We are coming into the picture of 2 a.m. See, the asset which took all those highs and closes as a bullish PSP in a H4 candle as at 10 a.m., giving us a strength switch a PSP as in a 15-minute as a failure swing SMT. The asset which didn't even took those highs and closed as a bearish PSP in a 10 a.m. 4 hour, give showing us as it's strength switching us even this is in a bullish condition. What should we expect and how should we trade? If you want to trade the stronger asset, I want a fucking these CSDs to trade, and my stops are right here to what? Basically, I don't trade this fucking stronger asset to towards the downside. So I end up with probably taking this trade as well. So see how the market giving us the reactions of the thing which have been already made from the big players. Yeah, the thing I took this trade in this what short, but this is not necessary, right? We want to see some sort of I can, yeah, even we can trade a reversal candle, right? Even we can trade a real reversal candle. Yeah, bye. I'll see you in the next trade breakdowns video. Until then, I'm gonna sign off. Yeah, chill.